Imagine a system that can clean stencils, misprints, defluxing PCBs, tools, and squeegees all in one. The Austin American Technology X30A is a universal cleaner that will clean all these. The X30A has a completely automated process including a heated wash, rinse, and dry, giving you consistent results without taking considerable floor space. To clean a stencil, you simply insert your dirty stencil into the holder and press the lift down button. The lift lowers and stops at 4 inches for safety measures. There is a 360-degree safety bar around the lid. It requires the operator to use both hands to push the lower lift buttons to complete the lid closing. High impingement pressure, counter-rotating spray bars are a fixed distance away from the board, which eliminates shadowing and provides the best low-profile component cleaning of any batch cleaner. This is the closest you can get to an inline cleaning in a batch cleaner. After the wash, there is chemical isolation including independent air, knife, and drip times. This allows for the maximum amount of chemistry recovery to go back to the wash tank. The X30A has 2 rinse processes with DI water, a timed fixed rinse for stencils, and an additional water knife rinse for misprints and PCB defluxing. The rinse can be open loop or closed loop. The X30A comes standard with room temperature drying or a hot vortex dryer option. There's an air knife on the front and the back sides, and the lift is programmable for how far up it goes and how long it sits there. The entire process for a stencil wash, rinse, and dry is only about 10 minutes. Misprints and boards are a total cycle time of only about 20 minutes. When the wash tank goes low, the system calls for additional chemistry and water. The chemical metering pump will bring in the appropriate amount of chemistry to maintain your concentration level in the wash tank. The X30A has very low operating costs and is environmentally friendly, all in a small footprint. In summary, the X30A cleans stencils, misprints, defluxing PCBs, tools, and squeegees in a completely automated, consistent process including wash, rinse, and dry. With a closed loop wash and closed loop or open loop rinse and chemistry flexibility, no factory should be without an X30A universal cleaner.